Redundancy is a method of duplicating piece of data server and component to ensure the duplicate one is available to serve the purpose of the military one fails. You can send data or another. To be able to safeguard the data, you need to ensure that there is some level of redundancy built. Implement a redundant array of dependent drives, enables redundancy that hard disk. RAID C, known as disk stripping. It requires two disks. It is written in stripes on each of the disk. Written in stripes, dealing with heavy read operations. Important note if the data is lost, known as disk mirroring. RAID 0 stripping, RAID 1 mirroring. Requires two disks mirrored to another disk with one disk capacity as the other is redundant. It provides high read performance. RAID 1 should not be used when need high write performance. RAID 5, disk stripping with parity. Had at least 3 disks to provide high read performance. However, RAID 5 should not be used with high write performance. It also lose one third of the disk storage and total was used for parity. RAID 6, known as disk stripping with double parity, works similarly to RAID 5. However, instead of 3 hard disks, requires a minimum of 4 hard disks. It can continue to work even if two hard disks fail. RAID 10, known as disk stripping, mirroring, and RAID 1+0 requires a minimum of 4 hard disks when you're looking to excellent write performance. Multipathing. The implementation of multipathing, you need to create a several path consistent to storage. You need to replicate the data. Different methods to build network redundancy. Redundant NICs or network interface set up to same server. Power is the most critical requirement when you need to ensure your data center works. Without power, you cannot run any network device or even server. Therefore, other than enemy power, you also have redundant power, which can be achieved by having redundant power supply within the server. Replication of the copy of the original data can be done the same server or another server in the same premise. Even another server in different location. Replication not only be done between servers, it can also be done between server and storage solutions. So network attached storage. Storage area network. Some easier to perform replication from one location to another location, which can be off-site. The replication is extremely fast as compared to other backup replication methods. Virtual machine works just like any normal system or server, with the exception that they do not have any hardware you run on server and use its virtual hardware to run. Virtual machines running business critical application or hosting critical data also needs to be safeguarded from failures. It's a method that can be used to ensure if the running VM fails, the replicated VM can be restored and back online in a matter of minutes. On-premise, there is clouds and either be done on-premise in the cloud. For example, you can replicate all your data to Sun, which is located on-premise. The Sun can then replicate the information to another Sun, which is located in another premise or location. Backup types. Backup that can perform backup data on the same local system, terminal drive, another network server, or even the cloud. Okay. Types of data backup. Prevent data loss. You can back up your data. Backing up data means that you are making redundant copy of the data. Could be a DVD, USB drive, or cloud drive. May suffer data loss by accidentally deleting file. However, if you have the latest copy backup on a cloud drive, you could restore the files. Full backup. Name indicates that the full backup all the files or folders is selected. You can also create a full backup of an entire drive. Full backup takes longer time to complete as each file and folder is backed up. It is also important to note that the full backup is faster to restore as you are restoring from a single copy of the backup. Complete of all data, backup speed slow, restore speed fast, storage space high. Increment backup done after full backup has been taken. backs up the files and folders that either new or modified since the last backup, which could be any type of backup. Summary features of incremental backup, data backup, on view, backup speed fast, storage speed moderate, storage space lowest, differential backup. Done after full backup has been taken, back up the files and folders that either new or modified since the last full backup. Assume that you are taking the full backup on Monday, Tuesday you run the differential backup. Summary features, data backup or data since last full backup, backup speed moderate, the storage speed fast, storage space moderate, use cloud storage for backup. Microsoft OneDrive is built-in utility in Windows 10. We have Hotmail. You can use this utility backup data on OneDrive storage. And OneDrive, login account, password. That's next. Click Not Now. Get to know your OneDrive share files folder. Next, get the mobile app. OneDrive is ready for you. It's okay. Lagyan na natin na text na naman ng OneDrive and may kita na mapapakpa app. Right click tapos open na yung OneDrive. Display that you are on account tab. Punta mo na sa Microsoft OneDrive tapos add ng account. Tama ba? Choose folders pala. Choose folders. Tapos ano yung gamit natin. Lahat ng information, data natin nasa loob ng desktop. Pwede natin ilagay dito. Click new and then select folder. Lagyan natin PLAB. Dialog box, X na now. Currently, tapos papakita sa browser. Okay. Settings. Windows settings. Search yung backup and restore. Sabi kasi ito eh. To set up backup Windows appear, click to save on network button. PLAB DC01 IT Practice Test Administrator. Click next. You need to now specify what needs to be backed up under the data file section and check all items except make sure Jane Brown drive is checked. Under the computer section, clear local disk checkbox. Include the system drives, system reserve option. Creates a system image backup. Backing up your computer essential task to protect the operating system, application, and personal data files from issues such as disk failure. Different operating systems have different tools and utilities to perform backups. Windows has a backup to Linux has several command-based tools. So, PLAB yan. Hindi ako makagawa. Nako. Sige, skip ko na lang ito. Kasi hindi ko hindi ako makapag-laboratory. Backup, depending on your requirement, you can use the different backup method. For example, full backup can be used. In the case of virtual machine, we would need to back up the entire virtual machine. It would take a large amount of disk space. When files are folders, a backup method such as full backup works well, as the files can change or are created on daily basis. Snapshot is the state of a current virtual machine state, including any applied settings or configurations. Older backup method. Even though disk and clouds backup are not more popular, tape backups are still used in organizations. Disk taken over tape backups. Copy backup, simply copy the original data you selected. You select a set of folders or directories. Copy then paste them at another location of the server. Network attached storage, mainly used for file storage purposes when you have several servers in your organization. They can store data in their hard drives or store data or on a NAS server. Server stores its data itself, and then data is only available when the server is online. While NAS data is still available when the server is not online. Online versus offline. Depending on organization infrastructure, either backup lives or possible both at the same time. Makes a copy of source data on another server in a remote location. Organization could set up its remote server to make online backups. Perform offline backups are performed on tapes, Blu-rays, DVDs, hard drives, either internal or external. Non-persistence and resilience. Servers installed on the network should be up and running without any downtime. Works resiliently. Case the server or system runs into problems that is no longer working. Need to know the methods required to recover them as soon as possible. Hindi kita magawa. Continue. System protection. Restoration order. Need to restore it. Being taken full backup every time. It would likely be only one key that contains full backup. Last known good configurations is a tool that was provided in all versions of Windows up until Windows 7. Live boot media can be created on DVD or USB drive. When you do not want to tamper the existing operating system but want to work with another one, you can simply create the live boot media, which boots like normal media but does not save the configurations. High availability. If your organization is running a critical business application, must run without any downtime. However, virtually impossible to run any applications or system without downtime, but still most organizations tend to achieve 99.999 uptime, which is the equivalent to 5 minutes of downtime throughout the year. Availability is often a challenge when it comes to network system applications. When you need to scale up, you have to add the physical hardware. However, we extend the problem solved by virtualization and containerization. Diversity, assistance, servers, application, network devices, and is essential to protect all of them. Able to provide a sufficient level of security, organization must use multiple layers of security, which is known as defense and build multiple layers of security controls to ensure that if the attacker breaks one layer of security controls, the remaining layers can still prevent them from proceeding further from the network. Technologies. Depending single type of technology, mid-mix technologies such as databases, file servers, and web server. Each product should also be hardened before use. Vendors use better to use several vendors. When you are implementing various security controls, use different vendors such as firewalls, IDS, and WAF. Even if the attackers know the weaknesses of product from one vendor, the product from other vendors may still be more difficult to then to attack. Rather than making use of a single cryptographic method, good to make use of the different method. For example, during the transmission of this is a good choice. Disk stripping. Grade 0. Virtual machine fails. Replicate virtual machine restart made in online manner some minutes. Replication? Yes. Type of backup. Point of time. A copy. USB. Hydrate. Submit. Live boot media. DVD or USB drive. DVD, snapshot.